Yeah, made it last week.
Well, tomorrow morning's opening day of the deer season. Just out here today, scouting around, just looking over some spots, but excited for the morning. Be checking a few of these basins and hopefully turn up some bucks. Scouting mission found the first buck of the trip. Just kind of checking some areas. Middle of the day, spotted a forked horn bedded up underneath the bush here, so that's a good sign. There's bucks around. I'm not going to be super picky, so when opening day hits, stockable. Bullseye. It's opening morning, and I just picked a spot where I can look over a lot of country from here. I can just see for miles, so I'm going to just slowly start picking it apart and try to figure out where the deer are at. That's more of a thing, that there's a lot of country without deer. You just kind of got to find that one spot where they tend to be, or they're going to like. So just trying to use my optics, cover a lot of country, hopefully figure out where the bucks are hanging out. A lot of places to look. Teriyaki mule deer jerky. To find the mule deer, you gotta eat the mule deer. That's the secret. Glassing all this stuff in Glass's little pocket. There's a nice 4-point in there. Definite shooter. Nate just pulled away and he's gonna go film from across the canyon. I'm gonna try working in on this buck. If it's steep enough below him, I'll be able to crawl up, but it's one of those where he's facing down, so I'm just gonna have to make the right play and wait for him to be looking away to draw. It'd be really hard to get two people in close enough, so Nate's gonna go back and get the whole scene. Hopefully he films me shooting a deer, not spooking a deer. I honestly don't know what happened. I had my shot. It's a little further than I would have liked. I wanted to get a lot closer, but he was bedded. The doe busted me. And I don't know if he just heard the arrow coming and jumped out of the way. Because when he jumped off, I threw up my bind. I was thinking, oh, he's going to go down. And didn't even touch him. Didn't even come close.
Been a long day. It's already 3:38 lunchtime. Just got into action and haven't stopped yet. Got some summer sausage here. Summer bucks and summer sausage. That is so good.
Just over a mile away, maybe a mile and a quarter, got a group of good mature bucks over there. One really nice buck in the group. So I'm gonna get after him and hopefully get within mouth tab range. They're still about 100 yards away. The Remi in front of them is about 100 yards shy of where they were. I almost stepped on a rattlesnake. Not this close. Big one. I just left Nate. And we've got a group of bucks. That was really close. That was 35 yards. Just no shot. That was cool. Baby! Why don't you ever cool back down? Because now I know met up with a buddy and we're gonna go check out just a different spot. It's a spot I haven't hunted before, so I'm excited to check it out. Should be pretty sweet. See what we can find. See if we can get close enough for the old mouth bow. Finding the deer, I think we can check off the list. Getting real close and then standing there while we release a loud arrow. That's the ticket. Oh. Wow. Oh.
But you're sure gonna know when I'm coming. I'm night prowler. Yeah, they call me night prowler.
I've got a nice 3-point bedded in an ideal spot. He's below a single tree. Bottom of the canyon. The wind is coming up the canyon, but I think if I stay above him, he won't wind me. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Nate is back here. I'm gonna film from a distance. It's gonna be so dry and it's gonna be hard to sneak 2 people in there. I'll take you along on my cell phone video. And hopefully it works out. I gotta hustle though because the buck might lose shade in about 30 minutes. Who knows? So the plan is get in tight, sit there, and wait. I just like ranged and memorized every bush because I was like, if he comes out of that shade, he's gonna go across the canyon to this other spot. And sure enough, he did that. I was full draw and I was grunting to stop him. He stopped and let it fly. So cool.
Holy cow. Big mature buck.
Got this awesome 3-point buck. Using the mouth tab, we spotted him bedded under this tree. The wind was good, so snuck down, got with maybe got 20 yards from where he's bedded. And then it's about an hour or more just waiting for him to stand up. Sat there, arranged everything around. When he got up, he went down and then across the canyon. Actually had to grunt while biting down on that with the mouth tab. And he stopped, let it fly. It was 30 yards. And watched him just tip over right here in the bottom of this draw. So cool. Really unbelievable. It's pretty tough hunting with this thing. So any deer is a good deer, and this is an awesome buck.